Hi, are you looking for a spacious 2-bed with plenty of storage? Let's go check out 36 Line Street, Unit 1 in Somerville. I'm Carlos with the Santana team. We're in a great location right on the Somerville-Cambridge line. We are just a block from Kirkland Corner and also close to Inman, Union, and Harvard Squares. Enjoy open concept living in this freshly painted unit. And the basement has over 300 square feet of private storage. This is one you don't want to miss. We'd like to see it at open house this weekend. For more information and pictures, check out SantanaTeam.com.